So this is the first section in Module 4, is describing patterns using equations. So first example we're going to look at is a taxi fare. So the cost is $3.60 plus $1.50 for each kilometer. So your job, it asks you to find how much it would cost for 11 kilometers. So let's do that right now. So you can do that using a little bit of math. You can just do so 360 plus $1.50 for every kilometer, so 11 kilometers. So you can do $1.50 times 11. So if $1.50 times 11, you have 10 times $1.50 is $15 plus another $1.50 for that extra kilometer. So you have $16.50 plus the 360. So that would end up costing you a total of 20, because you got 19, but you got, so $19 plus $1.10, so $20.10. So it would end up costing you this much. Now, we need to write an equation to represent the cost, C, in function of kilometers, K. So the way you do that is that you write your total cost is equal, in equation you need an equal sign, to 360. You're always going to have to pay 360 plus $1.50 for every kilometer. So multiply by K. That's your equation right there. And if you look at our work above, that's what we did. We did 360 plus $1.50 multiplied by every kilometer, which was 11 for the problem. All right, let's take a look at another example. Again, here we have a pattern, and we have to generate an equation for this using V and N. So this is N and V. So this is the way you do it from a table. You look at your jumps, and you're going to notice it's the same jumps. It's 3. That means that every time I go up by 1 in the value of N, and it goes up by 3 in the value of V. So that means my multiplicative factor is 3. So if I were to write an equation, V is going to be 3 times as much as N. 3 times N. Then you check if it works. 3 times 1 does not give me 5. So you need to figure out what you're going to add to that. Well, to get 5, if N is 1, I need to add 2. That's my equation. And you can just do a quick check with the next one. Is it true that if N is 2, so let's just do a quick check. So 2 times N, that would give me 6. 6 plus 2, it does give me 8. If N is 3, so I would have to do 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 plus 2, yes, 11. So it works. So the pattern, this is the pattern. I multiply by 3 and add 2. Here's your practice. Make sure you check your work behind the book.